Hi, everybody. We are back with another video, and this time we're talking about a very special day throughout the world. It's World Elder Abuse Awareness Day. Did you know that World Elder Abuse Awareness Day was established in 2012 by the International Network for the Prevention of Elder Abuse and the World Health Organization at the United Nations to increase awareness about elder abuse and its forms? Today, we are joined by Lieutenant Pat Hood from the Maine State Police and Jill Randall from Legal Services for the Elderly. We also have some additional guests who we will introduce shortly. Pat and Jill are co-chairs for the Maine Council for Elder Abuse Prevention. Pat, can you tell us a little bit more about the council and its mission?
Hi, Katie. Thank you, and welcome to all of you. It's great to be back here again on such an important day. Elder abuse in all of its forms is a very real and a very serious problem, even here in the state of Maine. But we can all definitely be part of the solution if we all just do a little bit ourselves. At the council, we always do like to say elder abuse is a community problem, but it also is a community solution. Every citizen in Maine can and should become involved, because our involvement matters in our ability to prevent this devastating and life-threatening problem. So I'm going to turn this over to Jill, who's going to provide us a little bit more information and talk about our special partner, who we brought with us to increase our awareness to World Elder Abuse Awareness Day.
Thanks, Pat. It's so nice to be here and to have this opportunity to raise awareness about elder abuse and to recognize Maine students who have supported this cause. Once again, the council is excited to be partnering with a great organization on a very special project. GFWC Maine shares the council's goal to support collaborative efforts to combat elder abuse, including neglect and financial exploitation. One way we work together to increase awareness is by sponsoring an annual essay scholarship contest. This year, with the assistance of local elder abuse task forces and the local clubs of GFWC Maine, local essay contests were conducted statewide, resulting in the receipt of 80 submissions. A winner was selected in each county where essays were received, and those winners were awarded a modest $50 prize. Each county winner was considered for the overall statewide scholarship of $1,000, generously provided by GFWC Maine. I'm going to turn it over to one of our special guests, Marge, who will tell us more about GFWC Maine. Marge?
Thank you, Jill. I look forward to this event each year. Let me tell you a bit about our organization. First of all, it's been around for 130 years. GFWC Maine is a volunteer service organization that brings members together as leaders who work locally to create global change, supporting the arts, encouraging civic involvement, preserving natural resources, advancing education, and promoting healthy lifestyles. In 2015, we partnered with the Maine Council on Elder Abuse and Legal Services for the Elderly to sponsor a statewide high school elder abuse essay scholarship, which continues today. GFWC Maine members actively advocate for our elderly family, friends, and neighbors, which is why we value our partnership with the council. I'm pleased that our members' support for the Elder Abuse Essay Scholarship continues on today. We look forward to this essay contest every year. It was my privilege, along with Judy Shaw and Kathy White, to help judge the statewide essays. As usual, it was no easy task, given the quality of the essays. All the essays move the judges, but there can only be one winner. I'm pleased and honored to announce that this year's scholarship winner is Renee Lapointe, who is graduating from Buren District Secondary School in Van Buren, Aroostook County.
That's fantastic. Congratulations, Renee, and welcome to our Zoom group.
I would just like to say thank you all for choosing me as the recipient. Elder abuse awareness means a lot to me, and I'm honored to represent the Maine Council for Maine Elder Abuse Prevention to raise awareness for this important platform.
Well, it sounds like your essay is really something. Would you be willing to read it for us?
Yes, of course. Today in America, an estimated 5 million older adults, or 1 in 10 older Americans, experience physical, mental, and financial elder abuse, neglect, or exploitation each year. How can this still be happening in America? I come from a unique upbringing, which gave me firsthand view of what elder abuse is really meant for. My family runs a home for the elderly with cognitive deficits. I was raised in the same home they call home. I knew at an early age they were my equal and should be treated the same way. I also have several members of my family that have been diagnosed with dementia and have lost their lives to this horrible disease. My junior year of high school, I wanted to make a difference, so I took the CNA course and passed my state exam. I now have the privilege of working at our local nursing home a few hours a week, providing one-on-one care to so many residents. The people I work for only want to be respected and cared for. They love to talk about their past and their families. They love it when you take time to listen to them. Why am I telling you all this? It is because these are some of the most vulnerable humans in our society. These are the ones that we should be protecting, but yet they are being mistreated, abused, and finding themselves financially broke because of family members and people they trusted. How can we make sure that this does not continue to happen? Caring for those who once cared for us is a privilege. I've had several conversations on how to fix this pandemic of abuse. One of my ideas is to give caregivers their own caregivers, someone that will be able to relieve them and when they need to get out, rest, or have some free time. My mother is a mental health therapist, and the therapists in her office are always making sure that each and every one of them are taking care of themselves, self-care, self-love, and time to refresh their own spirit. You can't provide care to another from an empty cup. Another idea is that our direct care workers are some of the lowest paid workers in America, yet they are caring for our most vulnerable. We need to provide these workers with rate increases and incentives. Another idea is more senior centers where they can talk to a therapist, counselors, sex educators, lawyers, accountants, and any other profession for free advice.
That is so inspiring. Pat, do you have anything that you'd like to say about that?
Renee, I read your essay when it first came up, but to listen to you put your emotion into it, it really makes a difference. I just want to congratulate you for not only addressing what's happening, but coming up with some solutions. It's a big deal to provide that to people who will listen, and maybe for the people that just say, what can I do? And you've already got some steps laid out. So again, congratulations, and I appreciate work in the field.
Thank you. Renee, do you have family with you here today?
Yes, I'm here with my mother, Christine.
Hi everyone. Of course, I'm very, very proud of her. The family is proud of her. We're thankful for you guys choosing her for this great scholarship. She did really well with scholarships this year, and we're looking forward to her future and what she will do at UMaine. She's headed to UMaine. She wants to be a family nurse practitioner, and I'm sure she's going to continue defending our most vulnerable.
Well, it is certainly nice to see one example of how we can raise awareness and make a difference. Pat, do you have any final thoughts?
Thanks, Katie. Mom, congratulations. Well done. As I said before, we talk about this as a community problem for sure. No different down here in the southern end of the state than it is up in Aroostook County. But it's that community piece, that community solution, which helps take this huge problem and break it down a little bit. And today, we honor you, Renee, for bringing your piece and showing that level of awareness. So again, Mom, Renee, congratulations for your work here, and best of luck to both of you moving forward.
Thank you. And Jill, do you have any final thoughts?
Well, just a big congratulations to you, Renee, and we wish you the best in your future, your bright future, and congrats also, Mom. So, I just want to remind everyone that we can all make a difference. And it starts right in our own communities, recognizing and appreciating that older Mainers are valued members of our communities. So whatever you do today, call your family, your friends, your neighbors who may need support. They need to hear from you now more than ever. Don't let their only call be from a scam artist.
Thank you. Thank you to our special guests, Marge and Renee. Take their example and make a difference on this World Elder Abuse Awareness Day. Until next time, stay safe, everybody.